Okay, big time bullish expansion day on the day. Let's start from the daily chart here. So coming into today, I was looking for how price was going to react around the POC today. We had a slight bullish pop yesterday that took out the POC, failed to close through it. So we were looking at that prior week POC as our anchor today. That obviously held and pushed back up. Let's take a peek at how that developed here today. So let's flip to the hourly here. So we're coming out of bouncing out of filling this daily gap down through here. Price through the overnight yesterday went sideways. We had a nice bullish pop and a little bit of a slight pullback at that POC yesterday. Overnight kind of chopped through it a little bit. Overnight dip during that London session that partially recovered, and then we just absolutely ripped right off the open here, right into that bearish daily gap to the upside here from, I believe it was last Monday. And then price paused, stalled out, pulled back, right back to that POC, nearly to the tick, held back up and bounced back for that extension during the afternoon session, that lunch and afternoon session extension, creating that bullish day. So let's take a peek at a couple of trades that we had on the day. So here was the opening trade or the opening session that we had right here. We had price coming in fairly good off the open, really kind of lethargic bullishness here. Here's that POC 69.51. So right here, this was an interesting candle. It was a failed breakdown candle right off this 845 candle right here. So price opened up real hard to the downside. We had some trapped retail sellers here that all got filled to the downside by a passive buyer. A real big block here. There's about there was quite a bit down through here. Actually, it wasn't a block, but it was a lot. And held VWAP and then rallied back to the upside. And here you had your market order of an institutional market order right here on the way back up. So this was a fail. I did not catch this one on the way up. It happened pretty quickly. By the time I realized by the time I was able to actually process all of that, we were all the way up here and it would have been a chase for me at that point. So I let all of this go off the open. And then finally we come up here, we take out target one, price oscillates around a little bit. And then we have, we're essentially maintaining some bullish flow here to the upside, which is good. We're looking at that possibly trapping some folks up in here. Or I was looking at that possibly trapping some folks here, and we oscillate around a little bit. Looked like we may get a pullback here. That ended up failing, getting eaten up. And then we had a little bit of a slight pop to the upside, failed, came back down, and here comes the rug pull. Okay, so right through here, you have institutional sellers here selling hard. Okay, this was an exhaustive move to the upside. And then we rotated back to the downside, trapping all of these late buyers up in here, trapping them, ripping them back to the downside. We finally got a break of structure right here. I'm sorry, we broke the structure here, closed down here. I took the trade off the low of this candle and finally got filled right through here. And then on the way down, this was just a reversion trade back to the mean, being that we were awfully bullish. In all the context that you could think of. So I just played a quick reversion trade back to the mean here. And then we had a nice, we look at all these sell stacks on the way down. Price came down here very hard. We have a sell stack here. We had some up in here even, but we had the cluster of them was kind of like right through here. And so as price came on down, we tagged that POC by about a point, maybe 3 ticks, 1, 2, 4 ticks, and then bounced. And then price finally came back through here and eviscerated all of these sell stacks through here. If you can see right here, it chopped around for a while at POC, at VWAP. Didn't know if we were going to get accelerate or not, but right through here, price came back down, retested VWAP, retested that overnight high right through here. And then we had another market order of aggressive buyers, institutional buyers right through here on 1,000 that popped to the upside.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.